What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with another video. Now in today's video we'll be unboxing and reviewing the Smatree 15 to 16 inch hard shell laptop sleeve. Now this here is a reinforced sleeve with a modern design, YKK zippers, and a soft lining. Now as for this video, it's featured on the Unboxed, Explained, and Demoed playlist, so you can find information related to this topic quickly and easily. And as always, we only feature products or services I buy, use, or am interested in. And you can find this item and related items at the Amazon storefront link in the description below. All things said, let's go ahead and get into it. So here we are with the Smatree 15-16 inch hard shell laptop sleeve unboxing and review. Now different color options are shown on the packaging, but they didn't appear to be available on Amazon at the time this video was made. So again, we have this hard shell design which provides 360-degree protection and also happens to be water resistant. And we also have these nice geometric shapes which give this sleeve a modern appearance. We also have Smatree branding and zippers by YKK. Now these are going to be a good material, so they're going to look good and they're going to be durable. Let's do a quick zipper test. So that's going to be nice and smooth. And again, this sleeve features a 360-degree hard shell design, which has minimal flex, which means that it should provide superior protection for our device inside. An important feature of a laptop sleeve is certainly accessibility, and this one doesn't disappoint here. So what I specifically look for is how wide the lid opens. Now you do have some laptop sleeves that they only unzip to about right here on the side, and you have to stuff the laptop in almost like a taco. But this lid opens 180 degrees, which means that it's going to be easy to put our laptop inside and also access it. Moving on, you can see that we have this built-in pocket. We can actually place our laptop inside there, and that would better secure it. You can also see that we have this material here. As I brush my hands on it, it changes color. So that's like a soft felt-like material. I like to see that. That's going to provide adequate protection for our device as well. And this material isn't only on this side, it's on this side as well. So you can see I brush my fingers against it and it's going to change color. Again, that soft felt material, that's going to provide good protection. And then we have the device test, and here I have the Asus ROG Zephyrus M16 gaming notebook, and as you can tell, it takes up a fair amount of retail space, and it's also fairly thick, but this should be perfect for this test. So we're going to start by sliding into the pocket, and we're going to have a nice snug fit. It's going to be perfect. And this gets easier with time as you use it. Now again, we have that accessibility. So again, full access to the laptop because this lid opens 180 degrees. And then we have the zippers, again, very smooth. And again, this all gets easier as you use the device. But this looks great, it functions great. Again, we have that good hard shell protection. So is this sleeve worth it? I think so. I say it's worth a buy. Totally worth it. So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please leave a like. If you're watching on YouTube and have any questions or comments, as always, drop those down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Now there are 3 ways you can support the channel. The first way is to click on the Amazon storefront link in the description below. There you'll find items that I have bought or would buy, and anything you buy from the storefront does support the content. The next way you can show your support is just by sharing this content with someone who might enjoy it or find it useful. And the last way to show your support is just by clicking the subscribe button. Now liking and subscribing are important because those are ways to vote on whether you like the content. Liking and subscribing are also important for new viewers and listeners. If new viewers and listeners see likes and subscribers, they're going to think that the content is helpful, worth watching, and listening to. As always, thanks for watching, and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon checking out.
Yeah.